In this video, we'll show you how to get Portainer up and running on Cuemby Cloud. We'll configure the instance, define the parameters and resources, and finalize the deployment within the platform. Portainer is a platform that helps manage container environments from a centralized interface. In other words, it simplifies working with technologies like Docker, Kubernetes, and Podman by concentrating operation, deployment, and control tasks in one place. Beyond creating the instance, it's also important to consider how the service will operate within Cuemby Cloud, including the network, backups, the public IP address for controlled external access, and the operational aspects. Backups are also crucial because Portainer offers options for manual and scheduled backups to S3-compatible storage, for example. Another key advantage is that Portainer isn't just for containers. It also allows you to manage images, networks, volumes, applications, and multiple environments from a single console. This is invaluable for teams that require greater visibility and control in their daily operations. Once the provisioning is finished, we verify that Portainer is available and ready to start managing the container infrastructure in a much more practical way. The idea behind this deployment is to show that with Cuemby Cloud, we not only set up a tool, but we also create a clearer, more centralized, and easier to operate management system. We can access the container directly and obtain the Portainer admin credentials. And with that, we have the entire environment deployed,